Hey guys, Dirt and Rust. I went to the flea market yesterday and I picked up a few items. So let me show you what I got. First of all, I got this VALOR fixed blade. I believe it's a scuba knife. VALOR, Miami, USA. 440 stainless. 45 Japan. And I got this cool looking welding gauge, kind of a steampunk item, brass. It's by Smith's Welding Equipment Corporation. And I got a couple of pairs of pliers, round nose and needle nose. These ones are Kraeuter. No, these ones are the Crestoloy Crescent. And the other ones are the Krauters. Kraeuter USA. Alright. I picked up this little Stanley Exacto knife. $10,049. Got some C clamps. This one's a 2.5 inch. Number 568, Cincinnati Tool Company. And what's interesting is this one, this other clamp, looks like an older clamp, has that same logo. This is a Hardgrave. And on the other side, standard clamp, 6 inch. But I wonder if they have, I'll have to research it and find out, but they must have some relation to each other. And then we got this Stearns C-clamp. I always forget to tell you guys the prices. These, if I can remember, I think these were $3 and that was $1. This was $1. This was $5. This was $1. The clamps, these two clamps together were $6. This clamp was $2. This one was $3. Industrial service clamp. Number 2, Vulcan heavy service clamp. Made by J.H. Williams & Co. Drop forged in the USA. Nice heavy duty clamp. I'll get to the hammers in a bit. This was a 50-cent pickup. I tried scraping around. There's some wording on there, but I can't figure out what it is. Maybe it's some sort of oil wrench. It's like a Black & Decker tool wrench. Got a HinsDale opening 3/4 and 5/8. Forged in USA. These were a really good pickup because I know these are worth some bucks. These John Deere combo wrenches. TY 3232, TY 3228 USA. the logo there. That was $2. These were $2 each. And this was $1. Now I did pay up for this Stanley. It just had this really nice look. It's got that octagon nose on it and the straight claw. I really love the look of this hammer. So I did, the guy wanted $10 for it, and I said 7 and he said 8, and I just went ahead and took it. It's really a cool old hammer. Still feels really sturdy too. I mean, this thing's, it's on there. And this one was an interesting one. I wasn't really sure exactly what it is. I'm still not 100% positive, but I think it's a rubber mallet by Dunlap. I think there would be some rubber tips that would go on here. I couldn't find anything on this at all on the internet, so yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a mallet, but I could be wrong. You guys let me know if you know. Here's kind of a classic Vaughan framing hammer. OF2, 19 ounce, made in USA. Wear safety goggles. And hey, we're already through them all. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.